Moving on for now, Indian External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has a packed schedule at the ASEAN summit. He will be a part of several high-profile meetings, not only with the group's members, but also Russia, China and the US. One of the first meetings will be the India-ASEAN Foreign Ministers meeting, which will be held on Wednesday. ASEAN is a crucial part of India's Act East policy. India shares a border with ASEAN member Myanmar, which has been embroiled in violence following the military coup on the 1st of February. ASEAN has so far failed to resolve the Myanmar issue. ASEAN has 10 members: Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand and Vietnam. S. Jaishankar will also be participating in the East Asia Summit Foreign Ministers meeting, along with the US Secretary of State Antony Blinken and the Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi. This will be the second time in a month that S. Jaishankar and Wang Yi will be a part of the same summit. The two, remember, had earlier met at the SCO meet in Tajikistan. Apart from this, the US has also invited India for the Friends of the Mekong ministerial meet, which will be co-chaired by Blinken. Meetings with China will be closely watched. This, as the Indo-Pacific region is also set to take the center stage during the ASEAN summit. Several ASEAN members have territorial disputes with Beijing in the South China Sea. Washington has also raised concerns about the growing Chinese military activity in the region. In fact, the Quad group, which comprises India, the US, Australia and Japan, specifically focuses on the Indo-Pacific. Tensions between India and China are also at an all-time high due to a border standoff following last year's clashes in Galwan in Ladakh. Our principal diplomatic correspondent Siddhant Sibal has been tracking all those developments. He sent us this report. Take a look.
Well, situation in the west of India has been a concern. It has been hogging headlines, especially with the deterioration of situation in Afghanistan. Focus is also on east of India. Next 48 hours will see number of meetings, including the ASEAN-India Foreign Ministers meeting, the East Asia Summit Foreign Ministers meeting, and also a meeting co-chaired by the US, which involves countries of the Mekong Delta region. But talking about the India-ASEAN Foreign Ministers meeting, this meeting of course will see focus from the Indian side on connectivity, on cooperation when it comes to dealing with the COVID crisis. Also focus on making sure that the rules-based order is not undermined, which we know is being done by China. But nonetheless, it's the East Asia Foreign Ministers meeting that will be a key focus area as well, where the foreign ministers of not only the 10 ASEAN countries will be present, but also Foreign Minister of India, of China, Russia, US will be present, sharing platform and of course talking about regional developments.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.